All right, so about an hour later, we have about 2 inches of snow or so. Been coming down moderate at times. We're in West Virginia, just outside of Weston, west of Elkins, West Virginia. You can see everything's covered. Sticking really good to the trees, so hopefully we don't have any power outages tonight. Lights have gone out once already and come back on, so we'll see, but pretty big flakes now. So I'll just let you look at it here for a second or two. Quiet and peaceful. Only for the occasional fire truck. Police record going down the highway for accidents. Have a good night.